Yo, what is going on, y'all? Welcome to the complete party limit BEGONE mod tutorial for Baldur's Gate 3 on PC. First off, shoutouts to the mod creator Silder over there on Nexus Mods. You can find a link to the mod in the description below. Now, this mod can be used on single player and multiplayer. Installing the mod for multiplayer is destructive and will require patching your bg3.exe file. We'll show you how to install and uninstall this mod using the destructive method, but don't worry about anything. The entire process is super simple and you can revert to your original files in less than 10 minutes. Using the link in the description, head over to Nexus Mods and download the mod file, which at the recording of this video is on version 1.5.1. Once you have the file on your computer, you're going to right click and select extract all. You'll get this pop-up. Make sure this option is checked and hit extract. You should now have this folder. I'm going to rename this to 1.5.1 and delete the zip file. Just going to pop into the game really quickly to hit up Gale here. And if we try to recruit him, of course, it will not work. He will just say there's no room and we cannot do so. So what we're going to do, obviously, we're going to go ahead and quit the game. Also, I will mention you can extract that mod folder anywhere on your computer. You don't have to extract to the root file of your game. As you can see here, I have the mod files in a random location on my computer. You'll notice a mods folder here in the files. Now, some of you might have mods installed here already. Quickly tap back to the download. You can see the mod author has recommended that you delete your old mods before application. Once again, under Steam Library, Steam Apps Common, Baldur's Gate 3, and data, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this mods folder right here. Head to the folder where I've stored the mods and just simply copy and paste it in here. If you're like me and you don't want to increase the multiplayer limit, all you have to do is what we just did and move that mods folder into the data folder. And there is no need to patch those exe files if you are just playing single player. So from the data folder, we're going to head back to the Baldur's Gate 3 folder and we're going to go into the bin folder. And from here, you notice you have a bg3.exe and bg3_dx11.exe. Personally, I do use the DirectX 11 option. So what we're going to do from here is go to the bin folder. We are going to click and drag the .exe file over to our mods folder and onto this file, party limit begone patcher.bat. I'm simply going to release. You may or may not get this pop-up. What you want to do is hit more info and go ahead and run anyway. You will see this quick pop-up on your screen and that will indicate that the file has been patched. Once again, I am using the DirectX 11 option, but if you guys are using Vulkan and it's not working for some reason, you can go ahead and try to drag and drop this file right here. But for all intents and purposes, both versions should work with the bg3.exe file. Alright, so that's basically it. You should see this backup file in the Baldur's Gate 3 bin folder, and that will indicate that you have successfully patched your file. Go ahead and start up Baldur's Gate 3. Now, the Larian game launcher will give you this data mismatch warning. This is completely normal and can safely be ignored. Alright, so back into the game. Let's go ahead and try to recruit Gale to our party.
But no room for me, it seems.
And what do you know, he did reject our offer, but that's actually supposed to happen because we do have 4 active party members. So what we need to do is dismiss one of the active party members, and this will effectively reset the party limit. Let's go ahead here and dismiss Shadowheart. And now we're down to 3 party members. Let's go ahead once again, talk to Shadowheart. And this time when we talk to Gale,
what can I do? With pleasure.
And try to recruit him, he will join up. And as you can see, we now have 5 party members. But hey, let's not stop there. Let's go get Astarion. Same thing, 6 party members. What about Reseller?
Greetings. It is done.
And just like that, we have all the party members. What about Scratch? No, you can't get Scratch. Hey, Scratch, you want to come join? Nah, he can't join. There are 2 known issues with the mod. Number 1 is the cap resting bug, where you'll try to rest while running a full party, but the game will tell you some of the party members are still asleep. Simply hit the toggle group hide option in the bottom left corner, which fixes it. Number 2 is on the Grimforge map transition, where your party has to take a boat. Make sure you reduce your party size to 4 members before traveling. Now, if you already used it and you took the boat with additional party members, and know those party members are stuck on the beach, try dismissing your current party and then sail back and forth to unstick the others. Last but not least, to uninstall the mod, simply delete the BG3exe file. And then on the backup, you're going to remove the .backup right here. Hit yes here, which reinstates your original bg3.exe. Go back to the data folder as well, and you want to delete this entire mods folder. After uninstall, you will notice we still have our 7-member party active. All we need to do is go ahead and dismiss each of these party members. And just like we did to install, we need to reduce our party to at least 3 members. Go ahead, recruit member number 4. And now if we try to recruit a 5th member, they will reject us. Anyway guys, that'll do it for this tutorial. Now I do need help to test the multiplayer option. Hit up our Discord link in the description. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Hop in the baby inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the baby inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just